Yes, I look like crap.
Accent is really hard Italian, guys.
Right, and your accent is so easy.
Yes, I really said that. Good morning, guys. It's early today. Oh my god, the light is off. Oh my god. It's dark. Hindi ko makita yung hagdanan. It's very early. I get up like 5:30. I had my breakfast. I will put you outside to see the sunrise. Sunrise. Ito foggy up there. Tignan nyo. Foggy. We're gonna go inside. We go inside. Okay, let's go inside. We are leaving. I'm leaving. Anyway, I'm just gonna give them treaties because they're good. Good girl. Come here, Rox. Good girl. Misty had already. She just anyway, I'm going now. I will see you. Probably I will see you in the car. Be a good girl here, huh? Dimple lurch? No, Okay, guys, bye. I will see you later. It's traffic, guys. It's traffic. It's 8:15 already in the morning, and this route is always packed every morning. Okay, guys, I am going. I just dropped my mother-in-law to the dialysis, and okay, I did drop her off. I stayed there for like 30 minutes to confirm what's going to happen, guys. My husband been telling them to call the dialysis up there so that my mother can go over there because her grandkid, it's going here. But of course, they don't even call. They have to wait until we show up over. Ay nako, these people are very slow. Hi guys, No, I'm here. No, hon, oy, goodness. I'm here. I'm frustrated with these people in dialysis. Yeah. So that means this one is not even sure. They don't. Of course, they never they contact them. They can, you know, if you call them. So why suddenly they cannot? So I told mom, bring your pills, bring whatever you bring, because I don't think so if you can go over there, because these people doesn't process it. They just keep lying. I'm just going to write a check, bills in this house. Anyway, I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna edit video. My husband is busy doing something too. So let me see where's the thing. It's right here. I will see you later. Busy siya. Ganito pala pag hindi kasama sa isang bahay. Parang wala na. This is what happened, guys, when you don't live together for a period of time. This is what happened.
What? Work?
No.
What's happening?
He forget that he has a wife, guys. It's like I get here, but he's like doesn't even hug me. He just pass me away, pass me some. This Magliraw-liraw na lang ning akong mata, guys. Gagihapon. Wala pansin na. Ning akong beauty. Hindi pansin. Ayaw ko na dito. Hey! I'm going home. Bye, guys. I'm going home. Bye, Dami. Nothing I can do. We have to divorce, guys. It's really nothing. What? Nothing left. Look at it.
Yes, I look like crap.
I miss him, but he doesn't miss me whatsoever. He looks like a Santa Claus that missing. Missing Santa Claus. Santa Claus that missing, like confused in his life.
Yeah, very.
Did you even check the area online or the map?
Yes.
The map you did?
Mm-hmm.
And is it not good?
It's right in Times Square.
You see, guys, I'm wearing this, you know, for wintry thing. Because this morning, it's freezing like crazy up there. It's 39 degrees outside. And it's crazy cold.
Crazy cold, huh?
Yeah. It's 39 degrees, and so I like this red thing. I need to get more of gloss. You know, it's kind of big, you know, sweatery or wintry stuff, because it's more comfortable. If you go to the party and you wear like this, you won't worry if you eat a lot, because your stomach won't show up big. So that's I can recommend. I can advise you that, guys. If you go for a party, holiday, family, food, eating too much, don't wear tight, because believe me, you cannot eat a lot because your stomach is popping out. You can eat. My husband's smiling, seeing his girlfriend. Boring! We are just watching this Las Vegas accident. I saw it this morning. Since when I turned the TV on, I said, oh my god, shocking. Scary now to be in the public. Guys, if you're imagining Tommy right now, imagine him with wires. Just imagine him with wires in his hand and do like this and do like that. Imagine him right now. Wires with him. It's like, look at it, what kind of wire it is. I don't know how freaking color. Look at a good looking man.
Yeah.
Good looking man. Pizzeria.
Order the pizza you want. I'm gonna look at the basement for that after.
Pizzeria, what do you want?
Give me the back of the car. Order what you want, man.
What do you want?
Don't matter, just order a pizza.
Okay.
Maybe you like it, it'll be good, whatever it is.
4 slices.
What?
4 slices.
Order the whole pie.
Okay. Whole pie. You want a whole pie? Hi, Maria. Anyway, this is MaryAnn. Okay. Hi, guys. Finally, I did talk to Maria. Takes forever when you talk. Oh, we're going over there.
She didn't say after how long?
20. But we're gonna go there early. 15, 10. Pizza. It's hard to see. Pizza. 1 pie. Half. Sausage with fresh garlic and the regular one cheese. It's hard.
Because the regular one is just, you say plain.
And then you have to say like half. I don't want 2 pie, only 1 pie, because her accent is really hard Italian, guys.
Right, and your accent is so easy.
Is that an insult, Han?
Oh, she has a hard time understanding you too.
She's very Italian, guys. Oh my god. Look at my husband's, guys. He's leaving me again. She almost left the phone again. Luckily, I went this morning and look at the bags, because you have to bring back the thing. And she said, oh, I don't forget. No.
Yeah, I don't forget.
No.
Yeah, I know. I was getting to it. All her stuff in the car?
Yes, because I thought...
really hopeful, weren't you?
Yes, I really did that I can go home early.
Wait, hon, the same early now.
No, but it's because it's so late, because you want me to stay here longer.
Well,
Seriously.
you have to wait for them to call, right?
Of course, I'm hopeful. I hope that she doesn't go to the other house for this week, because it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard, guys, because Tommy's niece is coming, and she's coming here, and it's gonna be far for her. And she live in the city, and she have a lot of friends in the city, and she's gonna end up staying upstate. So it's gonna kill her for the train station.
I don't think so.
So did she say that she only go to her friends when she arrive?
Yep.
And doesn't come back? I don't have problem, guys. My mother-in-law is in the house. Dialysis the whole week. But the thing is, I'm just worried about Tommy's niece, that it's gonna be, you know, it's hard for her, because you know how expensive it is from upstate to the city to take a train, and it's really expensive. So that's gonna be really hard for her. I'm not familiar with the train station upstate, so I don't have any clue what's gonna happen. Thank ya. Pizza, guys. Pizza ite. Pizza ite. I like this plain pizza. I like the pepperoni too, but seems like the pepperoni is more messier. It's more greasy. Tommy get the sausage with garlic. I know he loved that. That's why I got that.
I thought you were gonna get a broccoli pizza or something, but that's usually like those.
It's more expensive if there's more something toppings. After having our pizza and sipuli, is that how you call it, sipuli? We are going to run to pick her. Oh, Tommy already in the train, riding to Manhattan. He just keep working. Well, working, you know, it's good to pay the bills, but it's like too much. Anyway, I will see you later, because I will see you in the house. Kasi masakit pa rin yung dibdib ko. Ginoo ko, tabangi ko. But look what happened. It's a mess. Water. Go drink water. No, go drink water. No, go drink water. Look who's with me! Look who's with me! Look who's with me! Miss is downstairs eating her dry food. No, not dry food. Bones. You crazy dog! You crazy dog! You crazy dog! Why you crazy baby? Hi, Cray Cray! Hi, Cray Cray! Hello, Cray Cray! Hello, Cray Cray! Bonsai inside, guys, because I noticed that some of the leaves are yellow. I took it off, and yeah, I just got them. This one right here, I got it. Lumago siya, it's getting big. You're not hungry? You try to cover it. And you're not hungry? You try to cover it. You pretend it. Okay. Oh, you cover it. You're gonna get hungry later. Roxy will eat it all. Hi. Hi, Bug. Hello, Bug. You love to be here, baby. You love to be in Dada's office? No. You do. You do. You do. Oh. Is that your housey? Oh, what's your head? Ay, naku bag. You're such a freaking... O'clock na talaga guys. 8 na talaga lang. 8 na talaga. So, nakonsensya ako guys kasi the two cats, they're on the stairs right now, the two. And I only let Hubs in because if I let Dimples in, she's going to do business here. So, yeah, and I have to edit videos and stuff like that. But look who's there. Ayaw kong papasukin kasi andun si Dimples. Kahit bad girl yun, love ko pa rin yun. So, I'm just going to share you what I use for my wart. Because I have a very big wart. So, nilagyan ko siya ngayon, guys. This is what Tommy bought me. It's pricey. I think it's like 20 something or almost 30. Oh, it's still here, $22. Like, this one here, this is the name. Yep. And there's instruction in the back. Of course, the book. This one is for the freeze, you know. This one right here and this together is like to freeze your wart. So this is what I've been using, guys. I don't know if it's going to focus. I don't know if you can buy this, just this alone. There you go. And also, I just want to share, this is the vitamin E oil that I used for my face. And ito yun, E-oil. E-oil. But anyway guys, laptop is here. I'm just gonna edit video. And yeah, so edit video and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good night guys. Bye. Good night. What? What did you say?